Hello, today we are going to be looking at using Twitter as part of a professional learning network. One of the key aspects to developing a personal learning network is the use of hashtags. So, when we find a nice article that we want to post to Twitter, like this one on differentiating in the 21st century, typically there are one of two ways to tweet out this article. I do not see an embedded tweet button to tweet this on this particular blog. So in that case, what I'll do is I'll just copy the website address and then I'll go back to Twitter, and then in my compose new tweet button, I will just type something about this is how we differentiate, and I'm going to use the hashtag differentiate for the 21st century learner. That's a hashtag that I happen to have just recently seen to indicate 21st century learning. So then I will then paste the website address. Now it looks very long, and as you know, Twitter only takes 140 characters or less, but it will automatically truncate this long website. So when using hashtags, I've already got one hashtag here for hashtag differentiate. Notice how I kind of sprinkle that into my statement about using this particular method that's written about in the blog article for differentiation. So I now want to tag it with additional hashtags so that it could be picked up by other people who are following different hashtags. So I'm going to do hashtag edchat. And notice that as I type in the Twitter window, it will suggest hashtags that I've used in the past. So I'll do that. Hashtag, and the article talks about the use of tablets in education. So I'll use the hashtag tablet ed for tablet education. People always ask me how I know all of these, and it's just I look them up. Siberian Man has a great listing of educational hashtags, and you can just Google educational hashtags and you'll get a nice listing. Okay, so once I've typed it, I've got the hashtags that I want, and I'll just click on tweet, and it will then show up in my Twitter feed right here so that people can see it. Another way is that I can tweet out an article is this article here on using Twitter and participating in a Twitter chat. At the very bottom of this particular article is a button that does say tweet. So if I click on the tweet button, notice that 533 people have already tweeted it. If I click on the tweet button, a window will pop up and it will pre-populate the window with some information. It generally will bring in the name of the website that you're tweeting about, which is always nice. And so I can just do the same thing here. I can just type in @edchat, and I can type in PLN for Professional Learning Network. Notice, however, that using this method, it does not suggest any hashtags that I've been using. So if you don't like that, and I don't, I sometimes will just type it and copy it and then go right back to my Twitter homepage and paste it in there, and then I can start typing it in there. So I'm going to use NT chat, which stands for New Teacher Chat. So I think that new teachers might want to know this as they develop a professional learning network themselves. So then I tweet it out like so. And so now there's two different methods to tweeting, and I hope you found this very helpful.